So when does blockchain come into all of this?
It came around 2010 when when we were working on that startup that I was talking to you about. It was called Blink Nation and then Lemon. We had some developers in Argentina, and they were asking us to send some money through Bitcoins, and we're like, "What is this?" Early 2010, and so we went into this rabbit hole to understand what it was, and read as much as we could. That there was not much to read, to be honest, but just spend time understanding it. So when we started Rivet, we decided that I didn't want to start a venture firm because I don't think great investors need to be labeled. I hate being labeled. You're this or you're that, you're early stage, you're late stage, you do one thing, you do the other. Actually, we just are intellectually curious about the world and find opportunities where they have to be. So we were super early as a fund buying Bitcoins into the fund. And the problem was we didn't know where to store them. We had them on our phone. So we should build a custody business. And that was the beginning of Sapo. And all of these things that started to come were the outputs of what it was hard to buy. You needed bridges into the fiat money. So all of these companies that we backed was a lot of the pain of ourselves at Rivet trying to buy and hold Bitcoins.
That's a really intelligent way of going about a thesis, is to solve problems that you've got yourself or that you deeply understand, as opposed to, oh, that company looks interesting, it might make money. It's not based around that at all. It's like, how does this specifically evolve and what do we have to do to make it work?
That's been our thesis all along. We sort of don't follow the trends as much as others. We try to spend time understanding a problem. And every company that we backed, I would say not every, but almost everyone has one of those pain points that we suffer ourselves that we were trying to solve for.
They didn't trade stocks, they weren't interested. And suddenly we financialized an entire generation in the period of a year.
It's one of those beautiful stories.